Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and we are playing the neighborhood of robloxia, and I'm here with my cousin.
Hello.
Okay, and this is her house. So we just went through a tornado, and we were hiding in the Bottom Rock Cafe. So if you didn't know, there is a basement to it. Not really a basement. It's like a club. It's like a club downstairs, but like it's cool. So I was trying to get a mansion, but it's took I think both of them are taken. I'm about to go check the other both of the mansions, and I'm about to buy one. I'm just gonna buy this house for now. I'm not gonna really put anything in it. I already own a house. Oh, where's my house? Oh, where's my house? I need to check where my house is. Where's it? Oh, it's down. It's up. I don't know where my house is. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna spawn my car. See ya.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look for the at the mansions.
Okay.
I don't like. The thing is, I don't like this color. I like the black color for the Mustang.
What's a bedroom? Where can I supposed to get over?
I don't know. See, look, there's gonna be another tornado Thursday. Well, there's a chance. There might not be, but there's a big chance. I see someone in that other mansion right there, so I'm just gonna go and see the other one. Please say nobody's there. Yeah, both of the mansions are taken. No, they're not. Oh, I need to go check the other one. Okay. I'll go check it.
Okay.
And also, I work at the Bottom Rock Cafe, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm about to go to
I'm
it.
gonna start. Okay, are you going to the close one?
Oh, that's Spike's car. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my Lord. What just happened? You know what? I'm about to get my crazy car out here. That goes crazy.
Are you going to the close one?
No. Yeah, no.
Are you going to
I don't know. There's a close one. There's two close ones, too.
No, which one?
No.
The one that I have a hard time going to?
Yep.
Okay.
But
The
you
one
don't
that I
know.
have a hard time going to? Okay.
Yep.
That's the one we're going to.
Pretty much.
Okay.
I changed my color to black. See, doesn't this look good? Doesn't it look good? It better not be taken, or else I'm gonna be mad. Oh my God. No, he just bought it. No, get out. No, leave. I sold it. Please, get the mansion. Hey!
Did you?
I sold my house though. What the? Oh my God, get out of my car. Get out of my car. No.
I'm going into your house right now.
No. Get. Yep, there's my car. Alright.
Okay, I'm coming to your house.
And now I'm about to go put my furniture. Guys, I've been playing this for a long time, honestly. I've been playing this for a long time. So. Kidnapper. Stranger danger. Oh, gosh. Stranger danger. Hey, he has a gun. Help me. He has a gun.
I'm coming to your house.
He has a gun. I'm about to lock my
Do you
doors.
see a red car?
He has a taser.
Do you see red Jeep?
No, I'm inside right now.
Look
'Cause it's-
outside your window, in the front window. Do you see?
How did he get in? How did he get in? Oh, did he break the door? Or I'm confused. How did he get in? I locked my doors and he still got in.
He's a hacker, dude.
No. He probably glitched because Get away! Get away! Ah!
Is he taking you?
Ah! Get away! Get away! Get away from me! There, I locked it. You can't get in. Good. Gee. You bro. He's trying to glitch through my door. I know that. I know how to do that. Don't try me. I used to do that. I used to dress up as a clown and I used to glitch through people's doors. And it was funny. I used to get codes for the clown, and it used to be so funny when I used to like. I really want to kick this guy out, but I can't.
Can you let me in?
I locked him in. Ha! Got him. Okay. I'm trying to let you in. Okay. Unlock door. There you go. Come in. I locked all the doors now. Locked. Okay. So what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Do you just want to go drive around?
I might go get a grocery shopping, to be honest.
Okay, I'll unlock my doors real quick. So guys, check out her username. Try to friend her, guys, and friend me too. I mean, I'll try to delete some friends because I have 4 friends. So
yeah, I only have like 30 friends,
because she just got here. She's leaving today. So
I just got here, so I've only been here like 2 weeks.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get my car out. I'm gonna go pick people up and drop them off.
I'm gonna go to the grocery store. So let's see if I can turn this one. Yeah.
Why can't you just?
So I'm just gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna...
Guys, I'm not used to driving slow cars because I have like Mustang and like a spiked car. Oh Lord. Hey, do you want me to drop you off? Okay, I won't drop. Okay, you want me to drop you off? I won't drive crazy.
Okay.
Let me put my turning signal on. I usually don't play this game. What the? That's weird.
Are you behind me?
Bottom. Cafe. Don't worry, that's my grandma in the background. Or whatever, making noise. Okay, I'm trying to get people on my bus. The cool thing about this game is that you can someone's house is on fire. I'm reading the comments right now. Never mind. You gotta love. So we're about to go this way and then do this. Alright. I'm waiting for people to get in the bus. They're probably downstairs. What the heck was that? It's me. Oh. I'm gonna go downstairs. Let's see if there's anybody around here. Yep, there is people. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with them.
That guy just ran the cliff. That's bad driving.
I can do that.
So
Remember, so a few days, like weeks ago, I had a kid, and so I was in my fast car, and I drove them off the. I drove, and I went off the cliff. Why isn't my bus moving? My bus is not moving. There we go. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my God. Oh jeez. I'm driving crazy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my lord. That guy's crazy. I need to turn around. People keep trying to ram into me. Oh lord. I'm ramming into people. What's wrong with me?
If you need to find me, I'll just be at the grocery store.
Okay. A bus is faster than that car. Why? That's not physically possible. That's literally not not physically possible. Honestly. Oh jeez. Hold on. Oh, there we go. I need to go get people from the cafe. Oh, I mean the grocery store. I need to go pick people up from the grocery store. Whose bus is that? It's not my bus, because I'm driving my bus.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was like, wait. Why is there a bus here? Move it. But I give up. I'm just gonna go past. I just glitched through the bus doors. Let me respawn. Come on! You have to do this to me, game. Wow, this game is not nice to me. I just jumped over a car. Now that's Matrix. That's Matrix right there. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Okay, there we go. 95. That's cool. So cool. So cool. I'm gonna be making more videos later.
Are you trying to steal my car?
I'm gonna be making more videos later.
I don't know.
I'm at the grocery store.
Oh, I see you. See my red Jeep?
I see it. Oh, I just ran over someone.
Ooh. Well, I'm just leaving, so I came a little bit late.
So, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a comment what game I should do next. And like the video, subscribe, hit the red button, and goodbye.